Hello friends. In the continuation of animation training with Moho software, in this video, I will teach you color tools. If you are interested in making animation, be sure to subscribe to my channel. To paint, we must first create a shape or a closed design. To do this, we can use the freehand or draw shape tool. After creating a closed shape, select the Select Shape tool and click on the desired shape. Now in the settings section of this tool, we can easily change the color of the shape. From this part, we can also change the transparency of the color. With the dropper, it is also possible to sample the color. The fill option activates or deactivates the color of the shape. The stroke option activates or deactivates the edge line color, and we can easily change the edge color. Using the width option, we increase or decrease the diameter of the edges. The Select All button selects all the shapes created in the active layer. I will teach the layer section in future lessons. We use the Create Shape tool to create the shape. For example, I create a design with the Add Point tool. Then with the Create Shape tool, I click on the design. After the Settings section, I choose to create only the color inside the shape, stroke, or both. Then I hit the Create Shape button to create the shape. We use the Paint Bucket tool to paint the shapes. Select the desired option again from the Settings section. From the Style section, select the inner color, and stroke diameter and click on the shape. The Delete Shape tool removes the color of the shape and leaves only the lines of the original shape of the shape. The Line Width tool increases or decreases the diameter of a part of a stroke. To do this, first, select the line width and change the stroke value by left-clicking and dragging the mouse on one of the points in the shape. The Hide Edge tool is used to hide the edges. From the Stroke Exposure tool, increase or decrease the stroke value from the beginning or end of the line. You can apply the changes from the settings of this tool. The Curve Profile tool creates curvature and cuts on the line. Change the repeat count from the settings section. Color Point tool to adjust the color strength at selected points. Drag the mouse from side to side. First I select a point and change its color and adjust the color strength. Well, friends, in this tutorial you learned to work with color tools. If you want to watch my next tutorials, be sure to press the subscribe button below the video. Goodbye until the next video.